Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Fun Time and today we'll be learning some PowerPoint things, the basic things. So today what is our task is that how to change the font and how to change a background with a really pretty photo or image. Okay, so let's get started. First, we will see how to change the font style. First, I would like to write here Digital Fun Time. I'm writing here. You can write anything. Okay. So, I've written Digital Fun Time here. Now, I let my eye come here, this eye sign, and press the left key and drag my eye sign to the end of my letters. Now, first I would like to change the font. The font right now is Calibri Light. But I don't want this. I want a font name as Brush Script M. Yeah, see. I got my font name as Brush Script M7. Okay. So I am using my Brush Script M7 font. And see, this is my font. It looks really pretty here. We'll keep our letters selected and now change the color. Okay, here you can see this A sign and I pressed on this arrow and here I got all my colors. I can also go for more colors and select any one of the colors from here. For example, if I want this color, I press OK. And see, my colors changed. I go back and look here. That's a wonderful color I got here. Same, you can write any kind of subtitle here and do it the same way as we did with the Digital Fun Time letters. Now, how to change the background? There are two ways to change the background. First is to go on design and go for format background option here. Here you can even get more. Yeah, see. Here there are more slides too. You can choose one of these. But I don't want these. I am going for format background option. Now, here I am in solid fill. In solid fill, I can get colors. Change my slide according to the colors. For example, I take this color. So see, my slides changed. Now there is gradient fill. Here I will like to choose a color that's this. Yeah, see. Now if I don't want this white part to be here and rather to be in the center. So here there is another box after directions. Okay. And here I can choose any of the way. See, I made my light in the center. I can even make my light at the corner and so on. Okay. So now I can, the next thing is picture or texture fill. I click on this. Now I got many of them. Okay, but that's just one which is shown for example that how kind of you can get, how kind of examples you will be getting here. Okay, and see, I went to clipboard, so it changed my style to something else. And now I can even search my pictures online from here, or after texture there's a box. I'll click on this and see, I get so many of them like this. See, okay. So that's okay. This is okay. That's ekdam normal kind of a thing. So here we have transparency button. You can even increase it or decrease it. No transparency and full transparency and a bit of transparency. Okay, well now I don't want any kind of transparency here, so I have made my line to the 0%. Okay, so now I can even insert pictures online, or I can go for file and drop my image here. I'll click on my file button and then I can do the images put up here. I can put my images from my space or desktop storage area. Okay. Now I'm searching for an image online. So see, here I get Bing image search, and here it's written search Bing. So I will search here flowers. Okay, I go for flowers and I get so many kind of flowers here. See, so many of them, so many. Okay, so here I am choosing an image of any one flower which I like. This flower seems better, so I'm taking this. I press on insert here. Okay, and see, my image is inserted here, but here my digital font time is not looking that much good. I can rather change the font color or do it with my transparency button that increase the transparency of my flower and let it be visible really less. But this way it is not looking good, so I'll keep it here. Yeah, 7% transparency is here. So that's it for today's video. This is how you can change your font style, font color and your background according to you. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.